A few days ago, there was stampede all over Nigeria. The first one happened at Ibadan. The second one happened at Okija in Anambra State, while the third one happened at Abuja in Maitama. But so far, so good. Only a particular section of people have been arrested. The people that organized the one for Ibadan have been arrested, and they've been arrested. But the people in Anambra State, Bobby Jackson, has not been arrested. The people in Abuja have not been arrested. You understand? So I wouldn't understand why it's that way. But now, this is a stampede. Ah, I've never heard of a situation like this. I've never seen how this thing works under the law. But arresting somebody that just wants to give somebody, that just wants to do Christmas for people, you get a CBO. Like I really think it somehow, it don't really make sense. You understand? She's been arrested, she's been arraigned in court, and now her sister is crying out because I went through what her sister read, and she really made sense. She really made some sense. You understand? Now look at what her sister said. The sister of the ex-wife of Oni, of the Oni. You understand? Now look at what she said. She said, "All my sister did was try to put smiles on the faces of children this Christmas, which she has been doing for years. Unfortunately, this year did not play out the way we planned it. Innocent children lost their lives. I am deeply sorry about this sad occurrence. My heart bleeds for them all. However, my sister was arrested and detained for more than 6 days, and on the third day she collapsed when she was being interrogated by the DSS and was rushed to the hospital. And yesterday she was arranged to go to a magistrate court, and the judgment was for her to be remanded. One of the counts against her was murder. The children fun fair was supposed to start 10 a.m., but people got there as early as 4 a.m. The said incidents occurred around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. The doctors at the police hospital checked her BP and it was very high up until yesterday when they were taking her to court. When she was being detained, she had no access to us. My mommy had to beg everybody because she was allowed entry. Before she was allowed entry, she was not allowed to use her phone. I had to beg for her son to be allowed to see her at the police hospital. She was not supposed to appear She was not supposed to appear before a magistrate court, but a high court. Everyone I have contacted keeps telling me it's a bailable offense, but somehow the law is saying otherwise. Yesterday at the court, she was being treated like a terrorist. More than 40 policemen were on ground. Only my mom and brother was allowed to sit in court. So this is what her sister had to say about the whole stampede incident, which I understand. So I want to understand something. Okay, you said she was going as in this is something she wanted to do. She has been doing it for years. It's not the first time. Now they organized a phone fair for 10 a.m. and people started coming as early as 4 a.m. How is she responsible for that? How is she responsible for people coming to her events by 4 a.m.? And according to reports, the stampede happened around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. It's not even close to the time of the phone fair. So how on earth is she being remanded? I want to understand. Yes, I want justice to be served, but this is not on her. It is not on her. Like, how is it on her? You understand? And for this thing to be treated in the magistrate court, she said it's supposed to be in the high court. Why are they treating it in the magistrate court? I think they just want to make an example of somebody. The truth is, sometimes things like this happen. There are things that just happen, and there's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing you can do about it. So this all boils down back to the government, because years back that she has been doing all this fanfare, maybe people never turned up so much like this. Maybe it used to be just few people, which is the reason why she never for once thought about security and all these things. Maybe people didn't used to turn up. But this time around, because of the situation of the country, people are hungry. Now they announced it, and as early as 4 a.m., people don't show. How person will say she go still there house asleep by that time? But I don't show. Cause stampede for the venue by 6 a.m., 7 a.m. And now she's she's bearing the consequences of things something she knows nothing about. This is really sad. And do you know what? She's even being charged for murder. I don't understand. Okay, somebody is being charged for murder. A woman that just probably wanted to do something from the joy in her heart just to help people. Now she's in court and over 40 policemen are in the court with her. Policemen wey suppose dey street go dey find criminal, follow her dey inside court. Doing what? Is it that she will run away or what exactly? I want to understand. So I think for me this is a case of witch hunting. Yes, this is a case of witch hunting. I just think for me, yes, it's very difficult to lose a family. It's very, very bad. Like, make sense at all. But I think it's not her fault. It's not her fault. To be honest, it's not her fault. I think it's the fault of the government, because now when I make prices of things, they go high. Now when I make people no see food chop because of all these ridiculous policies one they put for everywhere. So singling her out is very, very bad. If you're going to single her out, if you're going to remand her in court, then you have to go and arrest Obi Jackson as well, and then go and arrest people responsible for the one in Abuja as well. You understand? So if now want to do all this thing, Mona do and make it day normal, so that everybody will feel justified. Like everybody will feel like yes, uh, you guys did the right thing. It's so bad. You understand? So what do you think about it? Drop it right in the comment section. Let's have it.